Reliable conversion. Converts 410 watts continuous, 820 peak watts DC vehicle power to 120 volts AC household power. Compatible with mobile devices, tablets, and USB devices. Use anywhere. Allows you to use your AC products and devices through DC plug-in power on the road or wherever you are parked. Simplified usability. Simple controls and on/off switch. LED light indicator alerts you when power is connected and converted. Extra features. Includes a low battery alarm, high-speed cooling fan, 2x USB ports, surge protection, and thermal overheat protection. Professional quality. Ideal for professional drivers and travelers. The Schumacher DC to AC Power Inverter effortlessly converts DC vehicle power to AC household power to charge and run mobile devices, tablets, and other USB products. Schumacher's inverter products provide the comforts and convenience required by the professional drivers and travelers of today. Includes a simplified, easy-to-use design with an on/off switch, LED indicator lights, built-in plug and port, one AC outlet and two USB ports. Safety features include a built-in cooling fan, thermal overheat protection, surge protection, and low battery alarm. Top reviews from the United States. Works amazing for powering my 240W laptop off 12 volts. I tried 1000W Everstart inverter to power my 250W laptop, but it pulled way too much power even doing nothing. Approximately 5A and the car socket got really hot. This unit is very efficient and works really well even at light and moderate loads. Highly recommend.